Do you want to smash your sales metrics like achieving 10 times faster quotation production? Then, CPQ software is a must for your business. But you cannot choose just any other CPQ platform in the market if you are in the industrial equipment manufacturing business. That's because the manufacturing sector presents some unique challenges like production delays due to complex configurations, lengthy sales cycles, pricing inconsistencies, sales and engineering misalignment, handling diverse configurations, customer dissatisfaction, and inaccurate customization and quoting that require a targeted solution to overcome. Enter Cincom CPQ, the answer to all your problems. With Cincom CPQ, you can take your industrial equipment manufacturing business to the next level by leveraging its CTO capabilities, global manufacturing support, engineering and sales alignment, and accurate, automated quotes. Cincom CPQ untangles the convoluted procedures of industrial machinery quoting by automating the quoting process, improving factory-to-sales visibility, pre-packaging repeatable builds through engineering configurator enablement, simplifying pricing policies, consolidating the review cycle by reducing errors, and bypassing developer necessities with pre-programmed functionalities. Witness ROI benefits like $283,000 saved annually, 96% reduced time to quote, 51% reduction in lead time, and 41% decrease in processing time in your sales pipeline. Do you envision your enterprise achieving such favorable results too? Then, contact our experts and book a demo at www.cincom.com.